You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say train station in French. How do you pronounce this word? We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in French in famous places in France to visit as well. Gare. Gare is how you say train station. So some might pronounce the E a little bit at the end, some may not, depending on the local French accent. La Gare. La Gare is how you say train station. If you cannot pronounce the French R, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned. You can say it as La Gare. La Gare. It's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.